Alright, hey guys, welcome in today. Got a new little video on how to do block letters. I have a block letters video. If you haven't seen my bubble letter video, be sure to check down in the description down below. I will put that link in there. While you're down there, of course, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already for all the awesomeness going on. Lots of videos coming out. And you want to click down below because every week I got new videos coming out on there. Make sure to like this video if you like what I'm doing in here so I can make more videos like this. So let's get right into it today. So for block letters, pretty simple idea, similar to how I do bubble letters, just in this way I do it as a block. And as I usually ask my students, whether they're doing bubble letters or block letters, I'll ask them what does a bubble look like or what shape is that. For this one, I will ask what does a block look like? And they will say a square or a rectangle. So when you're doing a block letter, you want to do whatever letter that you are doing and then kind of outline it similar to a block or more with straight edges like a block, as opposed to doing kind of rounded edges how we would do a bubble letters. So I will just pick a random letter like X on here. I'll do a nice big X on there, and then how I would outline it is I would go more, as I said, since it is a block letter, I would want to go and have straight edges on it. So if I'm outlining it, go around it still kind of like a racetrack all the way around, just every edge has to be pretty straight. So all these edges here are kind of straight and to the point, kind of just like our box is. So that's that. So then for my design, I will do, I've done my name before. Let's do one of my favorite things. N B, maybe you can guess what I'm gonna write since I like basketball so much. So I will do NBA, and then I will, like I said, outline it like a box. I'll go through that really quick. So then what you can do is you can erase that middle part if you want. You can use that part of your design. You can really use that for any type of project that you guys are doing, different letters or different words. You can use that block letter skill, and that's a good one to have for art projects on there. So I will go and fancify this and make it look fantastic and awesome. And there it is, just like that. Got my full design all done and awesome. I really like how the background turned out. I used different materials. I always like to use different materials on mine, so I added a little Sharpie, a little regular marker, and then some crayon kind of blending in the background. Top to bottom, side to side, you can see it is a full work of art now. You know how important that is to my projects, that I use the whole sheet of paper and not really leave too much white on it, so that I definitely accomplished that. So thank you guys for viewing this one on how to make block letters. Make sure to see my other videos on how to do bubble letters and different styles of letters that'll help you in your artwork, each and every project that you do. So thank you guys for viewing. I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel. We will talk to you guys later.